How can I report a lost ATM card and get a new one?
Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a situation we hope you never find yourself in, losing your ATM card. But don't panic. We'll walk you through how to report a lost ATM card and, importantly, how to get a replacement.
What should I do immediately after realizing my ATM card is lost?
Once you've discovered your card is missing, it's important to act quickly to prevent unauthorized access. Immediately contact your bank to report the lost or stolen card. The sooner you report it, the less likely you'll be held liable for any unauthorized transactions. You can usually do this through a 24/7 customer service hotline. Most banks provide a customer service number specifically for reporting lost or stolen cards. Online or mobile banking. Many banks offer options to report a lost or stolen card directly through their online banking portal or mobile app. Remember, never share your PIN or any security information with anyone during this process.
What's next after reporting the lost ATM card?
After reporting the lost card, you'll want to request a new card. This process varies by bank but usually involves the following steps. Verify your identity. Your bank will ask for your personal information to confirm your identity. This might include your social security number, date of birth, or mother's maiden name. Confirm your address. Make sure the bank has your correct address on file for sending the new card. Request a new card. After verifying your identity and address, you can request a new card. Some banks may charge a fee for a replacement card. The time it takes to receive your new card varies, but typically you should receive your new card within 7 to 10 business days.
How can I protect myself from a similar situation in the future?
Regularly update your contact information with the bank so they can reach you quickly if they detect suspicious activity. Monitor your accounts regularly to spot unauthorized transactions as soon as possible. Consider setting up card control features, like turning off your card when it's not in use, if your bank offers such options. Losing an ATM card can be stressful, but remember, it's crucial to act quickly and report it to your bank as soon as you realize it's missing. While waiting for your new card to arrive, explore other banking options you might have, like mobile payments or checks. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay vigilant with your personal banking items. We hope you found this video helpful, and please feel free to leave any questions or comments below.